How are you all? Hope you're all fine. This is your teacher Habiba, and in today's video we are going to discuss about Introduction to Visual Basic. Our next topic is from page number 71 to 72. So today we are going to discuss about components of the Visual Basic window. As we have discussed earlier, that this is the main IDE of Visual Basic. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It provides the user everything which it needs to perform or to make a project, right? So one by one we will discuss these things, that what are the names of these toolbars, what are these windows made for, what the Solution Explorer and the Properties window do, and this is the form where we can do. And on this canvas we can have more than one forms at one time to accomplish our project. The first one is the title bar. Title bar is at the top of the window and it displays the name of the project. This is the bar which displays the name of the project as we have kept, and it explains the Visual Basic that it's been working on Visual Basic. Second thing is the tab above the form. The tab at the top of the form contains the words Form 1 and Design. This means that the application has one form and is currently in design mode. If we want to pin this, we can. This is already pinned. This situation is pinned. The unpinned form is tilted pin. थोड़ी सी tilted pin होती है जो कि अभी इस वक्त नहीं आई है unpinned, right? Menu bar and toolbar. The menu bar consists of many drop-down menus. Clicking on any menu option on the menu bar makes it active. This is the menu bar. There are different menus like other Microsoft applications. File menu will give us the file options. Edit will give us the edit options. Same way, view, project, build. According to this application, we have different types of options in front of in front of us, and we can use any. We just have to hover our mouse on it, and then we will be able to get the menu options. Then comes the menu bar and toolbar. The menu bar and toolbar are two same things. These are almost together, but I have shown you these two bars separately. This toolbar is basically a shortcut that has all the buttons to provide shortcut to some menu. These options can be used by using shortcuts like start, undo, redo. These will active when we will do some bar. Back, forward, save, copy, whatever. Form window. The form window is the primary work area that forms the background of the application, and the user can place objects on the form. This is the form window on which we can take the tools from the tools box panel and place on this form, right? We just have to double click the option on the toolbox and that will arrive here on the form. This is the main toolbox. It has all the objects and controls that we need for making a form, like combo box, buttons, checkbox, list box, labels, picture box. Whatever we need to make a form is available in this text box, and we can get all the things from this to our form. The toolbox contains the controls. Controls are GUI components, graphic user interface, that can be added to the form, and we have to code behind them to use. This is the Solution Explorer window. It displays a list of all the forms in the current project. If we have more than one forms in a project and they are all there in the canvas, So that will be shown in this Solution Explorer window. And actually it makes us easier to work with all the forms at the same time. It shows us the linking between the forms and the number of forms used in the project. Properties window. As we have discussed in earlier applications also, that properties window displays a list of all the properties of the selected control or of the form in the current project. But a top tip tells us that if no control is selected, then the properties window will display the properties of the form. So right now nothing is selected, so properties window is explaining us the properties of form. Let's see how can we do it in how can we observe these things in Visual Basic. This is our main window, IDE. This is students, this is our main title bar at the top of the screen. This is menu bar, the main menu bar, which gives us the options. If I click on any tab, that will give me the options to uh, perform any function. On pressing the view, I can check whether I can check any toolbars missing from the IDE. I have all the bars in front of me. So this is the toolbox. I have pinned it. If I don't pin it, I will get this tab toolbox here, and I want to pin it so that every time I don't have to uh, click on it, so it will drag the form to the center of the screen. Now I have the toolbox in front of me, and every time I need to use it, I can use it without any problem. And the Data Explorer, the other tab has come here, Data Explorer, right? So this is toolbar, and this is our Solution Explorer window, which gives us the number of forms in the work. Here we can make another form, we can create another form, right? And this is the properties window, which tells us that the thing is selected. If I click a button here, a button will be formed here, right? And this button's properties will be explained here. System windows form, B image list, और क्या है टेक्स्ट क्या है उसके ऊपर बटन, राइट? इसके अलाइनमेंट देखेंगे हम, where should it be aligned. Then the properties come, overlay, mnemonic, visual style कैसा होना चाहिए, true, behavior, and what should it do. And then we will and I hope this works. Yes, and when I have to code behind it, I have to this is like a small program which will be encoded behind it, right? So as I have to double click, as I did double clicked it, the code section will open, and now I can code according to my requirement. This further will be read in the upcoming classes. Thank you. Okay students, thank you up till now, and inshallah we shall be doing um, the next and we shall be doing more in the next upcoming classes. Allah Hafiz.